Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Well, today we're looking at a paper trending on X, published on April 6, 2026, about 4 days ago. This paper introduces a fully transparent reinforcement learning recipe that improves the performance of vision language models, which are AI systems that can understand both images and text by about 4 to 5 points on average across 30 benchmarks. The paper is titled Vero, an open reinforcement learning recipe for general visual reasoning. And as we'll see, these results show that open recipes can finally match the capabilities of proprietary systems. Alright, Figure 1 illustrates how Vero reaches state-of-the-art performance using an open reinforcement learning recipe. The training curves in the top left show the average score rising as the computational work, or reinforcement learning floating point operations, which measures the mathematical effort during training, increases. In the center, a colored wheel identifies 6 key task categories, including science, technology, engineering, and math, often called STEM. The bar charts at the bottom and top right demonstrate that Vero models consistently outperform previous versions, with the best version achieving an overall score of 66%. Alright, Figure 2 provides a detailed map of the Vero 600,000 training set, which is the massive collection of examples used to fine-tune the model. The inner ring shows 6 main task categories, and each one is allocated 100,000 samples to keep the learning balanced. These categories include science and math, as well as optical character recognition, which is the ability to read text within images. To reach that total, the researchers combined 59 distinct datasets listed on the right. So, while Figure 2 showed the final data distribution, Figure 3 details the curation process used to get there. The selection and filtering block includes 4 steps, like manual quality control and large language model filtering to remove ambiguous questions. This refined data then enters a mixing stage, which creates a balanced data set for reinforcement learning training. In the final reinforcement learning training box, the model learns by adjusting behavior based on a reward score. Alright, while Figure 3 outlined the curation pipeline, Table 1 now presents the specific performance impacts of those filtering steps across different categories. Question filtering, which uses a larger model to identify and remove low-quality or ambiguous questions, provides a notable boost in the spatial and action category. This jump from about 56% to 58% suggests that cleaner input matters. Answer canonicalization, which is standardizing answer formats to a single style, also helps significantly in knowledge and recognition tasks. Okay, Table 1 showed how filtering improves specific tasks. Now Figure 5 details the 8 accuracy verifiers used to train the model across these categories. These verifiers are automated grading rules that provide feedback during the reinforcement learning process. Some tasks use binary rewards, where the answer is marked either 0 or 1, based on an exact string match. Others use graded rewards, such as intersection over union for grounding, which measures how precisely a predicted box overlaps with the target. For open-ended responses, a large language model acts as a judge to evaluate descriptive answers that do not have a single right string. Alright, while Figure 5 detailed the verifiers that guide the reinforcement learning process, Table 3 presents the final performance results for the Vero model family across 30 benchmarks. The 4 Vero models shown in the first few columns reach an overall average score of up to 66%, which marks a substantial improvement over the base versions. These gains, indicated by the blue plus signs, are particularly strong in the chart and OCR category, where the models excel. Remarkably, these open-weight models even outperform proprietary systems like GPT-4 Nano in several areas, such as knowledge and recognition. Alright, while Table 3 showed the overall results, Table 4 provides ablation studies, which are experiments that test how individual parts of the system affect performance. In the top section, the researchers compare supervised fine-tuning, where models learn by mimicking correct examples, against reinforcement learning. While the supervised fine-tuning version reaches 53%, the reinforcement learning model hits 57%. Moving to the reward design section, task-routed rewards outperform standard math verify tools, especially in captioning. Finally, group sequence policy optimization, a specific method for refining the model's behavior, is the most effective algorithm because it maintains higher entropy or response diversity, which prevents repetitive patterns. Well, the main takeaway is that a single-stage reinforcement learning recipe can produce frontier-level visual reasoning if the training data is high quality and diverse. By sharing these resources, this research proves that open-source models can match proprietary ones. That is it for this episode of the Artificial Intelligence Research Roundup. I am Alex. Thanks for listening.